on the 11th of November 2023. The president was here at Africa Saudi Summit, which also had the Africa Arab Summit. The conflict between the Palestine and Israel was very fresh. Nigeria participated. And in that summit, it was agreed that there must be a de-escalation of the conflict and return to the diplomatic table. Now, 1 year down the line, we have seen the kind of thing that has happened in Israel and in Palestine. We have seen the kind of loss of lives and destruction of
The Minister of Information and National Orientation, Mohammed Idris, said Nigeria is participating in the joint Arab-Islamic Summit because of its proximity and long-standing relationship with the Middle East. The summit is scheduled to commence today, Monday, 11th November 2024, in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. During the summit, President Tinubu is expected to address the ongoing Israel-Palestine conflict and emphasize Nigeria's call for an immediate ceasefire and the urgent need for a peaceful resolution. Mr. Idris said, Nigeria's position is to call for a peaceful resolution because the conflict can never end on the war front. We must come to find a diplomatic solution, and this is exactly what we are seeking here, the minister told journalists in Riyadh. He said Nigeria is seizing the moment again to participate in the summit and to lend its voice as an important player on the global stage to ensure that all countries of the world have a peaceful resolution on the Israel-Palestine conflict. Mr. Idris said Nigeria has been consistent on its call for a two-state solution, Israel and Palestine living side by side in peace and security within a very secure borders for both countries. He said Nigeria feels like that is the only way forward. We must go back to the roots of the matter. According to the Premium Times, a Hamas attack on Israel on the 7th of October 2023 escalated the conflict and led to the death of about 1,200 people, while Hamas took about 251 others hostage. Since then, Israel has besieged Gaza, killing more than 41,000 people, majority of them children and women. The report detailed that Israel has vowed to continue its attack on Gaza until Hamas, which governs Gaza, is eradicated, despite global calls for ceasefire. Gaza also faced a dire humanitarian emergency, with a report from an international authority on hunger warning that famine was imminent in northern Gaza and that the escalation of the war could push half of the territory's 2.3 million people to the brink of starvation. Conclusively, Mr. Idris said, unless there's peace in the Middle East, there's no way Nigeria will not also have issues. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more trending stories and exclusive videos.